left. Like rolled
Queen is
up.
badass. Now quickly, move it away.
Yeah, boy.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Straight out of Compton, crazy motherfucker named Ice Cube. From the gang called niggas with attitudes. When I'm called off, I got a sawed off. Squeeze the trigger and bodies all hauled off. You too, boy, if you fuck with me. The police are gonna have to come and get me off your ass. That's how I'm going out. For the punk motherfuckers that's showing out. Niggas want the mump, they wanna rump. Makes a man cook 'em in a pot like gumbo. Going off on the motherfucker like that. With a gat that's pointed at your ass. So give it up smooth. Ain't no telling when I'm down for a jack move. Here's a murderer to keep ya dancing. With a crime record like Charles Manson. AK-47 is a tool. Don't make me act a motherfucking fool. Me and you can go toe to toe, no mate. I'm knocking niggas out the box daily. Yo, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Until them dumb motherfuckers see clearly that I'm down with the capital CBT. Boy, you can't fuck with me. So when I'm in your neighborhood, you better duck. Cause Ice Cube is crazy as fuck. As I leave, believe I'm stomping. But when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of Compton. What's up?
Tell them where you from.
Straight out of Compton, another crazy ass nigga. When punks I smoke, yo, my rep gets bigger. I'm a bad motherfucker and you know this. But the pussy ass niggas won't show this. But I don't give a fuck, I'ma make my snaps. If not from the records, from jacking across, it's like burglary. The definition is jacking. But when illegally armed, it's called packing. Shoot a motherfucker in a minute. I find a good piece of pussy and go offend it. So if you had a show in the front row, I'ma call you a bitch or a dirty ass hoe. You probably get mad like a bitch is supposed to. But then show you slut joke and pose to a crazy motherfucker from the street. Attitude legit, cause I'm tearing up shit. MC Ren controls the automatic. For any dumb motherfucker, it starts static. Not a right hand, cause I'm a hand itself. Every time I pull an AK off the shelf, the security is maximum, and that's a law. R-E-N spells red, but I'm wrong. See, cause I'm a motherfucking villain. The definition is clear, you're the witness of a killing that's taking place without a clue. And once you're on the scope, your ass is through. Look, you might take it as a trip, but a nigga like Ren is on the gangster tip, straight out of Compton. Easy is his name and the boys coming.
Straight out of Compton, it's a brother that'll smother your mother and make your sister think I love her. Dangerous motherfucker raising hell, and if I ever get caught, I make bail. See, I don't give a fuck. That's the problem. I see a motherfucking cop, I don't dodge him, but I'm smart, laying on free for a while. And when I see the punk pass, I smile. To me, it's kinda funny. The attitude show a nigga driving, but don't know where the fuck he going, just rolling, looking for the one they call easy. But here's a flash that never sees me, ruthless. Never seen like a shadow in the dark. It's up when I unload. You see a spark and jump over a hesitation, and hear the scream of the one who got the lead penetration. Feel a little gust of wind and I'm jacking. Believe a memory, no one will be forgetting. So what about the bitch who got shot? Fucker, you think I give a damn about a bitch? I ain't a sucker. This is an autobiography of the E. And if you ever fuck with me, you get taken by a stupid dope brother who is fucker. Word to the motherfucker. Straight out of Compton.
Damn, that shit was dope.
I don't know what the fuck you are doing with your life. I really don't.
Grab your lighters. This is for my smokers. This how we gonna get down on this one. No, sometimes you just get blown. Forget about the bullshit that goes on in your life every day. That's why we do this. here for a pimp. Hustling and flowing just to pay that rent. You ever had one of them days like you've been hit by everything possible in this life? Baby mama drama got me twisting marijuana. Switches broken open, starts to ease my little problems. My escape from the jokers, I'm a chronic smoker. Xbox controller, ass sinking on the sofa. Like man, fuck Oprah, I'd rather watch Maury. Called and sick to work, man, I'm sticking to the story. Nothing feels better than a blunt in a 40. When life seems to bang you like a motherfucking orgy, I roll up some fine, let my feet recline and escape every last little problem of mine. They say my brain cells decline as I'm fogging up my mind, but it's just the life and times of a dope boy on the grind. That's how I get away. You know I'm high when you hear me say, that's how I get away. You know I'm high when you hear me say, that's how I get away. You know I'm high when you hear me say, that's how I get away. You know I'm high when you hear me say, rent payment late, baby mama steady bitchin'. Had me on the corner late night steady bitchin'. The fear of prison kept a hustler on his toes. The stress you feel, keep a hustler on the drove. A hustler on the go, dope boy going crazy. Sometimes I blow just to feel lazy, no maybes. I'm a full-fledged pothead, raising babies round blocks full of rock heads. Kush make me a blockhead, smoke till I'm stupid. Son of a dope fiend, so you never catch me tootin'. No powder, I just fuck with the green. Wipe the dirt off my shoulders, I feel so clean. I got dreams, till reality sets in. You can tell I'm upset when I'm smoking again. Prefer no seeds, no stems, but if I'm broke, even the dirtiest dirt weed in the world gon' get smoked. That's how I get away. You know I'm high when you hear me say.
Look at what we did. Came a long way from dirty ghetto kids. Yeah. Look at what we did. We came a long way from dirty ghetto kids. Yeah. You know what it is. Where the cops didn't find him for grinding, no. They kinda blew the vibe, figured it was time to go. Plus he had to be at home a long time ago, and he had made like $10 off the sign he wrote. It read, a little hungry and need a little money. It's for my little sister and a little tummy. It wasn't lying, no, we didn't go buy hydro. Went to the restaurant and bought 2 gyros, cause he knew they wasn't cooking where he lived. The cooks now took him to the crib. A little hurt from the rail, he took him to the ribs. Right past the pushers who couldn't underdig. What's the use of pushing, you ain't pushing none of this. If I kick it with y'all, I'm just pushing for a bid. But what was on his mind and push him to the lid. They best customer wasn't cooking for kids. Yes sir, so he kicked